Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very well at home and doing your work properly. Okay, I am Vijeta, your computer teacher. Today we will continue the chapter more on PowerPoint. Okay, and in this chapter today we will do the last one topic, that is rearrange the slides. How we can arrange the slides in a presentation. Okay, and bookwork of this chapter. Okay, and if you have any problem, any query in this chapter, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me. I will resolve it. Okay, let's start the chapter. Chapter 5, more on PowerPoint. The first topic is rearranging the slides. In presentation there are number of slides and we can rearrange the slides of presentation in normal, outline and shorter view. There are three ways we can rearrange these slides: in normal view, outline view and shorter view. And the first one is normal view. For normal view, firstly open the presentation in normal view, and in the slide navigation pane select the thumbnail of the slide and drag it to the desired position. Here you can see this is the normal view, and they dragged first slides from any other place. Firstly select the slide from the slide navigation pane. In left side there is slide navigation pane. They select the first side and these are the thumbnails, okay, and drag them to the desired position. Next, slide shorter view. In slide shorter view, firstly open the presentation in the slide shorter view. Select the thumbnail of the slide to be moved and drag it to the desired location. You can see in shorter view, slide shorter view, you can see all slides are viewed in the form of thumbnails completely, and we can drag any slide from one place to another place. Okay. Next, outline view. In outline view, firstly the presentation should be open in outline view. Select the thumbnail from the outline pane and drag it to the desired location. A horizontal line appears as you drag the slide. This is the outline view. At the right side in the outline pane, you can see the text of each slide shown here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides, okay, and you can see the horizontal line, which slide you want to drag. Here you can see horizontal line under that second slide, so you are dragging second slide. Next topic is working with slide outline. How we can work with the outlines of the slides, and for this firstly you have to select the outline view, that is similar to the normal view, and it provides summary of each slide in the outline pane. Okay, you have to do these tasks. Firstly create the presentation structure. Second, we can edit the entries and rearrange the text of slides, or we can hide and display the text levels. And how we can do these three tasks, this is shown with the help of activity. Here you can see, firstly create a new presentation, first step. Okay, after creating a presentation, select outline view from the presentation view group on the view tab. Third steps, in the outline pane type special day for special people next to the slide icon. Now press the enter key. As you press the enter key, the new slides appear. Type the Mother's Day. You can see in the example, types the Mother's Day, and press the enter key. The new slide appear. Right click at the cursor position and click on the demote option. When you click on the right click, these options will come: cut, copy, paste option, collapse, expand, donate, promote. Okay, if you click on the donate options, you will observe that slide icon disappears and the text move one level lower. Type the text like you can see in this picture. Text is type Mother's Day is a day that is set alike to express our inner words that show how much we love our mom. And after that, press enter. Again right click and choose the promote options from the contest menu, and the new slides appear. In the new slide you can repeat these two steps, donate and promote. Two steps for entire information related to Father's Day, Brother Day, Sister Day and Friendship Day. After doing this, the next step is bring the mouse pointer right next to the slide icon Right click at the cursor position and select the Callops option from the context menu. It will hide the bolted text relevant to the selected slide and display only the slide title, whereas the Callops all hides the bolted text for the outline of the entire presentation. Next steps, now click on the options and select the expand option from the context menu. It will relieve the bolted text relevant to the selected slide, whereas expand all reveal the bolted text from the outline of the entire presentations. And in this activities, 4 commands are using: Callops, expand, promote and demote, and you have to practice this activity by yourself. Okay, if you have PowerPoint 2016, because this feature is available only in 2016 PowerPoint. Okay, these are the various steps how we can work on the outline structure. Now we start our exercise of this chapter. Our exercise divided into 2 parts, section A and section B. In section A, the first question is fill in the blanks. Options are given. You have to fill these options in the blanks. First option, the presentation is a collection of dash that are arranged in sequential manner. Answer is slides. This presentation is a collection of slides. Slides से जो हमारे पास बहुत सारी slides होती हैं जिनको हम मिलाकर हम क्या बनाते हैं, presentation बनाते हैं. That should be in a sequential manner. एक sequence में होनी चाहिए वो slides. Okay. Second, most of the view buttons are presented in the dash group. In which group the view button present? That is presentation view. Okay. Next, dash is the new feature using which we can add math equations in your presentation. The option is, answer is ink equations. Ink equation is the new feature added in 2016 PowerPoint, by which we can add mathematical equations that in your presentation. Okay, by default they are built-in equations, but if we want to add our own equation, mathematical equation, we can add with the help of in equations. Next, fourth, the dash view display a manicure view of the slides of presentation. The answer is slide shorter view. Okay. Next, dash are a great way to provide feedback to the other about the presentation. How we can give feedbacks in Facebook or any other WhatsApp? Using comments. Same, comments are the great way to provide feedback to the other about the presentation. In PowerPoint presentation, comment is the options that used to provide the feedback. Next, the dash is the features that allow you to club your personal business photographs together to use for the presentations. आप अपनी personal और business photographs एक साथ presentation में add कर सकते हो at a time with the help of photo album. We have insert option also, but with the help of insert button we can insert one photo at a time. Okay, but if you want to add or insert more than photos at a time, one photo at a time, with the help of photo album, it create the photo album. Okay. Next, B question, that is straight true or false. You have to write down T or F. T stand for true and F stand for false. The first is, there are 7 views available in the PowerPoint 2016. Answer is false. How many views are there? 6. Okay. Second, by default the gray theme is applied to the PowerPoint window. Answer is false. By default colored theme is applied to the PowerPoint window. Okay. Third, to move the next slide in a slideshow view, escape key is used. False. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, एरो की यूज़ करते हैं ताकि नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे हम मूव कर सकें. स्केप की हम यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं ES की स्केप. फोर्थ, यूजिंग नोट पेज व्यू यू कैन हैंडल द नोट्स इन ए प्रेजेंटेशन दैट यू सेंड टू द ऑडियंस. येस, ट्रू. नोट आर मेंशन द बॉटम ऑफ द स्लाइड. ओके. नेक्स्ट, comment in the slide can't be turned off. False. We can turn off comments. Okay. Last, using convert to shape tool you can convert the hand drawn shapes to uniform geometric shapes. Answer is true. Now you can give the answers of fill ups of true false. try to do it by yourself. Firstly read the chapter. Okay. Next, third question, C part of section A, application based question. Okay. Aryan wants to create a photo album in which he wants to import 6 different pictures as 6 different slides, but he doesn't know how to do this. I'll help Aryan to do the same. इसमें क्या है, आर्यन एक फ़ोटो एल्बम बनाना चाहता है, वो 6 फ़ोटोज़ इंपोर्ट करना चाहता है और हर फ़ोटो अलग अलग स्लाइड पे आनी चाहिए. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या उसको सजेशन देना चाहिए, ही कैन इंसर्ट पिक्चर्स इन डिफरेंट स्लाइड्स विद हेल्प ऑफ फोटो एल्बम फीचर. ओके, सो फर्स्टली क्लिक इन द इंसर्ट ऑप्शन, आफ्टर दैट फोटो एल्बम, एंड आफ्टर दैट from where you want to insert these photos, that file or disk, after that create photo album. Okay, these are the steps. Next, second, Rupali has created a presentation with 16 slides. The teacher asked her to display all the slides in a single screen. Help Rupali in selecting the appropriate way. This Rupali ने क्या किया है, एक प्रेजेंटेशन बनाई है, उसमें टोटल कितनी स्लाइड्स हैं, 16 स्लाइड्स हैं. ओके, नाउ टीचर है आस्क हर, टीचर उसको कह रहा है कि आपकी जो सारी स्लाइड्स हैं वो एक ही स्क्रीन पे आनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज सिंगल स्लाइड्स कैन बी ऑन वन स्क्रीन ना, ए नॉर्मल व्यू. देन अब उसको हम क्या सजेशन देंगे कि कैसे वो सब स्लाइड्स को एक ही स्क्रीन पे शो कर सकती है. देर आर वन व्यू इन ए प्रेजेंटेशन, स्लाइड शॉर्टर व्यू, इन विच ऑल स्लाइड्स कैन व्यू एट इट ऑन ए सिंगल स्क्रीन. ठीक है, सो we suggest her, firstly click on the view, then after presentation view group you can see slide shorter view, click on that. Okay. Next, section B. In section B, first question is multi choice question. There are 3 choices, you have to select only one. First question, which function key is used to display the slideshow? The option is B, F5. F5 is used to run the presentation or display the slideshow. Second, in which view do you get the outline pen? हमें आउटलाइन पेन किस व्यू में गेट होता है, नॉर्मल व्यू, स्लाइड शॉर्टर व्यू और आउटलाइन व्यू. आंसर इज आउटलाइन व्यू. ओके, एज अ नेम सेम, बोथ नेम्स आर सेम. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग रिक्वायर ए नेटवर्क सर्विस टू स्टार्ट द स्लाइड शो? आंसर इज प्रेजेंट ऑनलाइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, which features find the information related to the selected item on the web without forcing the users to open up the internet browser? Means अगर हम कुछ information लेना चाहते हैं किसी particular word की या कुछ भी on web, from web without opening internet browsers, the answer is smart lookup. This is a new feature added in 2016 PowerPoint, smart lookup. Okay, next, which of the following options hides all the slide text in an outline view? Fifth, answer is Kellogg's. Okay, option C. Next, on which tab do you find the screen recording option? Screen recording option हमें किस tab में मिलती है? Insert, because we want to insert the recording, that's why it's in insert option. Now, B question of section B. Which व्यू एम आई? आपको बताना ये कौन से व्यू के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. फर्स्टली, आई एम द मेन एडिटिंग व्यू टू राइट एंड डिजाइन द स्लाइड्स. मेन एडिटिंग व्यू कौन सा है जिसपे हम अपनी स्लाइड्स को ऐड करते हैं या कुछ लिखते हैं? दैट इज नॉर्मल व्यू. सेकेंड, आई कैन शो यू द नोट्स दैट यू कैन इंक्लूड इन स्लाइड्स. दैट इज नोट पेज व्यू, हम नोट्स मेंशन कर सकते हैं उसमें. थर्ड, आई डिस्प्ले ऑल द टेक्स्ट ऑफ योर स्लाइड्स बट नॉट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. मतलब आपकी स्लाइड में क्या क्या टेक्स्ट है वो डिस्प्ले करता है. दैट इज आउटलाइन व्यू, मतलब आउटलाइन बताता है आपकी स्लाइड्स की क्या क्या है. फोर्थ, आई डिस्प्ले ए मैनिक्योर व्यू ऑफ द स्लाइड्स ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन, मतलब शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हमें दिखाता है प्रेजेंटेशन को. दैट इज स्लाइड शॉर्टर व्यू. नेक्स्ट, आई एम यूज्ड व्हेन द प्रेजेंटेशन इज डिलीवर्ड टू द ऑडियंस. जब हम ऑडियंस को अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन दिखा रहे होते हैं, दैट इज स्लाइड शो व्यू. ओके, now these are the question you have to done. Try to do it by yourself. Firstly read the chapter, after that you can give the answer. It's very easy. Okay, the next question, C answers the following question of section B, and you have to give your answers. You try to give your answer by yourself, your own wording. Okay, firstly you have to read your chapter for this. And the first question is, what is the use of slide sorter view? हम slide sorter view का क्या यूज़ करते हैं? It is used to change the order of slides. हम slides का order change कर सकते हैं, इसलिए we can add or insert slides easily, and we can set the timing of for the slideshow, or we can add transitions and animations on each slide easily. Next, state the difference between slides and presentation. What is slide? It is like a page in a presentation, and presentation, it is a collection of slides. Okay. Next, normal view or outline view. Normal view, in this we can add text, graphics and other effects to the slides, but one slide at a time. Okay. But in outline view, we can edit the text and view the content of all the slides. Okay. Explain the utility of the smart lookup. And smart lookup, it's a feature and by which we can find the information related to the selected items on the web without using internet browser. Means without using internet we can get the information about particular selected item. Fourth, what do you understand by the comment? And comment is a feature that provides the feedback to the others about their presentation. Next, what is the utility of photo album? It is a feature that allow to club personal and business photographs. Okay, and we can add our downloaded features from the online storage. So that firstly we have to put them in the folder on hard disk. After that we can club them with the help of photo album. Next, how is ink and annotation helpful to you? It is a features that enable us to write notes and highlight the concepts. Okay. Second, convert the handwritten shapes to the uniform geometric shapes. We can write notes on our slides with the help of this, or we can highlight the data that we want to make it more important. Okay. Next, what is the use of ink equations? Ink equation is a feature which is used to add math equation in a presentation and to write the equation directly on the screen. Okay. And I have given answers also. You can write from there. Okay. This is the answer of first question, second question and third question. I hope now you understand this chapter and you can do your book work easily.